What's up, guys? We've got some important information going on right now. My salmon is cooking in the dishwasher as we speak. Now you may be going, Max, have you lost your mind? Why do you have salmon in the dishwasher? And I tell you this, TikTok, Twitter, and I saw a TikTok video of this woman and she's all like, oh, look at me. I put salmon in the dishwasher and it turned out fabulous. My first instinct is to do it, to see if it actually works. Now, to be honest with you, it's been a struggle these last few months. I've been trying to perfect my salmon cooking and it hasn't been going very well, okay? I either undercook my salmon or I overcook my salmon. So if there's any perfect way to get a perfect salmon, I'm gonna try it. It has come to me putting my salmon in my dishwasher. Now this isn't just any ordinary dishwasher though. This is a miniature dishwasher. So not only can you see the salmon cook, you can also see how a dishwasher works. See how I'm saying? It's like 2-in-1. No, actually it's 3-in-1 because I think I'm the first one to cook a salmon in a miniature dishwasher. This is how historic this video is. If you're not sharing this video, you might as well be living underneath a rock because this is like walking on the moon type of shit. This is like one man takes a step for one mankind. Hell yeah, guys. This is gonna be the best salmon of all time. Whew.
Two hours later.
Let's go! Yeah! Oh gosh. Oh gosh, the flames, the smoke. Oh no. Oh, it's a hottie hot. The bottom got blown out. The bottom got blown out. Okay, let's check it out. No fucking way. It's cooked. What the fuck? Hang on. Oh my god. It's fucking cooked. I made some rice with my salmon, my cooked salmon. Now right off the bat, I could kind of tell the salmon is overcooked. I did it from a miniature dishwasher, so it probably got overcooked. You know what I mean? Dude, it fucking cooked it, man. It cooked the salmon. Honestly, it's not that good. It's not the best salmon I've ever had. But it fucking cooked it, dude. It cooked it. At the end of the day, I was just hoping to have an edible salmon. And it delivered. I mean, it's an edible salmon. Is it the best salmon? No. But I was able to eat it. My worst nightmare was I was going to do this whole video, take the thing out, and it was going to be raw still, and it wasted 2 hours of my life. But no, I didn't waste 2 hours of my life. I can eat it. Will I do this again? No. This is so dumb. It took me 2 hours to cook this fucking thing. I wouldn't recommend it. That's it.